Welcome. In front of me is a Realme 12 Pro Plus, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, pull down notification tray from the top of your screen by swiping down, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Now on one of the pages we should have a Do Not Disturb mode visible. If it's not visible in the first one, you can swipe to the left and this will show you additional page of toggles where the Do Not Disturb mode is located for me, which you can see right over here. Once you see it, if you're doing this the first time around, I recommend holding it. This will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize it. Now going into some of the options, in here we have obviously the toggle to turn it on and off. Below that we have schedule, in which you can select a fully automatic schedule, which will define at what day of the week and start and end time the mode will enable itself. Now you have one pre-made, sleeping, which starts at 10 p.m. and at 7 a.m. and runs every single day of the week. If you want to use such a thing, you can enable it. You can also tap on the actual text itself to change the parameters of it, and additionally you can also create new ones right over here by tapping on a plus. Now going back, we have things like contacts. You can select who can call you or message you, and you have a couple different things. So you have none, favorites, or all contacts. And additionally, we do have this option right here, ring for repeated callers. So if someone calls you twice within a 3-minute period with this enabled, they will bypass whatever you have selected right over here. So this option might be useful for emergency purposes. And lastly, we have the silent media when Do Not Disturb mode is on, which is completely up to you. Anyway, once everything is set up, you don't have to come back to the settings page ever again. And whenever you want to use Do Not Disturb mode, find the toggle, simply press on it, choose turn on, and you're good to go. It also gives you this icon right here, so you can see it from the status bar that it is right now enabled. And once you're done using it, if you have enabled it manually, you will need to turn it off manually as well. So find the toggle and tap on it once more. So there we go. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.